That's the perfect way to put it. It's quiet right now, so you're good to go for any morning plans if you want to be
Okay.
outside. This afternoon, though, you're probably not going to want to be outside. We're talking about some strong to even severe storms that are going to be moving through the area. So far this morning, out to the bus stop, we're already in the 70s right now. 72 in Knoxville, 72 in Oneida, 68 this morning in Crossville. It's hot, it's humid, it's been that way for a couple days. We're already sticky, muggy, and sticky outside. There's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. We're going to use this moisture to fire up some storms later on this afternoon, and they could actually be strong to severe. That's why we are weather aware this morning, watching the possibility of some storms developing later on this afternoon before slightly lower humidity levels come Tuesday, but more storms are in the forecast for the end of this week. So high temperatures today, warming up into the 80s. We'll be at 87 for our afternoon high here in Knoxville, 84 in Middlesboro, 88 in Maryville, and 83 in Wartburg. Now, you're probably not going to want to be outside come the afternoon high temperatures. You can see our rain chances increase as we get further into this afternoon. I think the best frame for storms comes about lunchtime and continues through the late afternoon hours into your evening commute. Notice this orange area. This is a level 3 out of 5 severe risk. It's almost for our entire area, excluding far northwestern zones in our area. So we're all watching the possibility of strong to severe storms later on this afternoon. What we'll be watching out for, some small hail developing, heavy rain, and gusty winds. That's our main concern. Also, the tornado threat is low, but it is not zero. So all modes of severe weather are possible this afternoon, so it's important to stay weather aware. Starting off this morning, just some clouds. Storms start to fire off towards lunchtime, and then we'll have a line move through during the late afternoon hours. Notice this is 3 o'clock. A lot of kids back in school, getting out of school at this time. If you're off work early, be mindful. We will have a line of storms moving through later this afternoon. Once that initial line does move through, things do start to quiet on down as we move into Tuesday, and we will be much drier. It's important this afternoon, have multiple ways to get watches and warnings. Our app, just search Knoxville Weather, great resource. NOAA Weather Radio, and be sure to check in with us all morning and this afternoon. We will be keeping a close eye on the radar this afternoon. As those storms do move through, our humidity levels do start to drop tomorrow, so a brief break in the humidity. We're back towards the muggy category, so it's a little bit more comfortable to be outside. But then as storm chances do increase, we're back up to the sticky, almost tropical category. So storms this afternoon, drier for your Tuesday, but then more storm chances towards the middle part of the week. Watching out for those spotty afternoon thunderstorms for Wednesday into the night on Wednesday, and then again Thursday and Thursday afternoon. Then lesser rain chances as we get towards this weekend, and it does look drier for the weekend. But be sure to keep an eye on the radar this afternoon as we are weather aware for strong storms, possibly severe storms moving through the area. Drier and less humid for your Tuesday. More storms in the forecast come Wednesday and Thursday. Drier for Friday and Saturday, but still the risk of a stray shower or storm. The big thing is have multiple ways to get watches and warnings as you're traveling and out and about this afternoon, as we are weather aware for this Monday.
All right, thank you, Matt. If you have been